Hi guys. Okay, we are starting 16-2 volume of pyramids. So your last section was all about prisms. So there's your boxes, and then we talked about cylinders. Now we're going into volume of pyramids. So pyramids are just going to be your equal bases and equal heights have equal volumes. Okay, so it's not going to matter what they look like as long as their height and their bases are the same. So as long as you have that taken care of on this page, we can go ahead and go to the next page. Okay, this page you're going to go ahead and mark off. Okay, hopefully this video is only one part long. You just never know. Okay, find the volume of a pyramid. So we're looking at this part where we're going to be able to use our volume formula, which in this case is volume equals 1/3 area of our base times our height. Okay, so volume, you're still finding the area inside of the 3D figure. So in this case, we're going to use 1/3 of the base times height. So it's a very similar formula as it was with prisms, but we're doing 1/3 because our pyramid is actually 1/3 of a box. So it says Ashton built a model of a square pyramid. Square pyramid means it's a square base. So we're going to take area of the base, length times width, 24 times 24. Okay, and that gave her the 576. So we did 24 times 24 to get there. Okay, then we're going to do 1/3 base times height. So our height in this case is right here on the inside, 16. So 1/3 times 576 times 16 gives us our volume. Okay, then if it ever wants us to have a cube that it's comparing, so it took the same side length, a wooden block is 64 centimeters squared, cubed, sorry, and it wants us to find the approximate number of stone blocks that will actually go through that. So we're going to take our volume and we're going to divide it by our volume of our cubes, and that's how we get around 144. Okay, so remember, that's just an estimate. It's not going to be completely perfect. Okay, so we're actually looking at the Egyptian pyramids on this next page. Okay, so we've got the Great Pyramids of Egypt, approximately a square pyramid with the base shown. The pyramid is composed of stone blocks that are rectangular prisms. Okay, so we've got different boxes making up them. The dimensions of those blocks, so the average block, is 1.3 by 1.3 by 0.7 meters. Okay, how many stone blocks were used to make the pyramid? So first we want to find the volume of the pyramid. Okay, the area of the base, okay, is taking 230 times 230, and that's going to give me 52,900, and that's meters squared. Okay, that's just the area of the square base on the bottom. Now we're going to take the volume, 1/3 area of our base, which we just found, and our height, our 146. So 52,900, and then our height was our 146. I just got that from the picture. So my volume is approximately 257,4466, and that's meters cubed. Okay, now I want to find the volume of the average block. So they gave us our dimensions of our block up here by using our formula, length times width times height. So I do my 1.3 times 1.3 times 0.7, and so the average block is about 1.183 meters cubed. Now I just divide my pyramid by my blocks. So I take my really big number, I divide it by my 1.183, and I get approximately 2,176,218 blocks. Okay, so a whole lot of work for all those Egyptian slaves that built those. Okay, so that's our part 1.